In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock in on Jobber. Whether you're new to using this app or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can track your work hours efficiently and reliably. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to search for Jobber in your preferred web browser. If you haven't already downloaded the app, now is a great time to do so. Simply type Jobber into the search bar, and it should be one of the top results. Clicking on it will direct you to their main page, where you can access various features of the app. If you use Jobber regularly, consider bookmarking the page in your browser for easy access in the future. Once you're on the Jobber website or have the app open, the next step is logging in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If not, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward, and you'll find prompts on the screen guiding you through the setup process. It's essential to have your details handy to speed up signing up for a new account. After you've logged in, take a look around the app. You'll find a variety of tabs and settings, but right now, we're focusing on the Timesheet tab. This is usually located towards the bottom of the app screen. It acts as the central hub for all your time management needs within Jobber. Clicking on this tab will take you to where you'll perform most of your time tracking activities. Inside the Timesheet tab, you should see the Clock In button. This button is crucial as it begins tracking your work hours. All you need to do is tap on it, and Jobber takes care of the rest. The general timer will then start running, capturing the time you spend on the job. It's quite handy as it will keep tracking until you manually clock out or start a visit timer for a particular task or job. As your workday comes to an end, it's time to return to the Timesheet tab once again. Just as you located the Clock In button to start your workday, you'll now see the Clock Out button. Tap on it to stop the general timer. This action accurately logs the hours you've worked throughout the day. Lastly, once you've clocked out, your time entries will automatically update within the app. This includes all time recorded by the general timer, along with any specific visit timers you might have initiated during particular jobs. You can review these entries anytime under the Timesheet tab, providing a clear overview of your logged hours. This helps in maintaining an accurate record and ensures transparency and precision in tracking your working hours. And that's it. Now you know how to clock in on Jobber and maintain a solid record of your work hours. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide if you ever need a quick refresher.